Yeah, well.
Okay.
You're like a hungry bear. He came down to see what was going on.
Till 5 minutes ago.
When that jackrabbit comes out, it looks good.
Thank you. Thank you.
You come prepared. You have everything you want to.
I tell you, I want to, just in case, we will survive, okay? We will survive.
Well, I don't know if we're going to survive, but we won't go hungry.
We won't go hungry. We might freeze to death, but we won't go hungry.
That was in the Depression, the 30s. And my father ended up being in that. They made a lot of the campgrounds, federal and state, and they put up a lot of things like that. They would put up shacks to house them in, give them like, I don't know, nominal amount per month, and they had to agree to send half that amount of money home to their family.